If you want to unlink a layer and a mask in Affinity, here's how to do it. I have prepared an image right here on my canvas and I'm gonna apply a mask. So I'm gonna create a shape. The ellipse tool looks alright. Click and drag while holding shift to draw a circle. Now I'm gonna use the circle as a mask, so I'll drag it onto the thumbnail of the image layer. If I expand the image layer, you can see the circle is now a clipping mask, and it's inside the image layer, basically acting as a child layer. I'll select the move tool. Now if I move the mask around, you can see only the circle is moving, while the image stays in its position. However, if I select the image layer and move it around, you can see the mask is moving as well, following the image. If I resize the image, the mask follows too. So, how if I want to move or resize the image only without affecting the mask? Here's what I can do. With the image layer selected, go to the context toolbar and you'll see this option, Lock Children. Click on this to turn on and we've got our child layer locked, preventing it from any changes. Now let's move the image. You can see the mask doesn't follow anymore. It's the same when I resize the image as well. The mask stays the same. So I can make any adjustment to the image freely without affecting the mask layer. When I want to move or resize them together again, I can go and uncheck Lock Children. And that's all about unlinking a layer and a mask in Affinity. I hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching, and bye.